Hey John, my name's Corey. Elizabeth told me to send the screencast over to you. But anyway, I'm going to shoot over three free tips. That way you can actually start out ranking your competition online and really bring in that quality traffic that you're striving to get. Anyway, I just was looking over your website. A couple things I want to point out here. I would throw up a like a call to action right here up at the top. Percentage off, money off, coupons, things like that. Helps people navigate a little bit easier. Plus, it funnels them down your sales process a little easier too. First thing I actually want to go over is content. You got a little content on here. I would really bring that up to about 15 to 2,000 words. Google loves authoric content. It really comes down to how much detailed information that you have that you're giving the general public. What you do, how you do it. Even these little images here, what these are saved as, you can actually go in and instead of specials home final, you can actually put keywords back there, which would just help with your rankings. If I go inside of Google here and type in HVAC Las Vegas, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see these little Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new to Google. A lot of people got so sick of those spammy phone calls, so a lot of people just been going away with ads in all general. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of that spam. But anyway, underneath those ads, we have this little map section. Really for the rankings here, it's going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just a online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations, but we obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this little map section, we have where all the organic traffic happens. Now, really to get the rankings here, it comes down to having that authoric content on your website, being ranked for those certain keywords, as well as having those backlinks. What a backlink is it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, if I just take your URL here, johnny's.vegas, and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. Looks like you got your website started back in January 2017 and just had a incline of your backlinking here. You kind of leveled off the last 3 months, lost some here too, as well. But right now you got 66 referring domains, which is pushing back 513 backlinks. Historically, you looks like you had just a little over 1,000 backlinks. Backlinks will come and go. They come or they go just as easy as they come on. Sometimes it seems like, but really having a high authoric backlinks as well, which would help your backlinking progress. Anyway, you got 348 keywords that you're being tracked for. So currently, you're on average every month you're getting about 38 clicks, and we can actually take those 38 clicks. It does look like you are running ads. That PPC stands for pay per click. I don't know if you're doing any radio, TV, stuff like that, but anyway, if we come and see where those clicks are coming in, they got Johnny on the spot. Las Vegas air conditioning companies. So that's a really good keyword. There's 150 clicks on average every month. You're 14th position, so you're missing quite a bit of traffic being that 14th position. I like to be around 15-20% of the total volume for that one keyword. HVAC repair Las Vegas, another 90 clicks every month. Once again, you're missing all the traffic being at the 18th position. Johnny Las Vegas, another 10 clicks. AC Repair Las Vegas, Nevada, another 150 clicks. So there's a lot of keywords that you can actually be going after and chase, which would just obviously bring in more quality traffic. Let me give you one of your competitors here. This is Sierra Cool. Let me put them inside of Ahrefs real quick, do a quick overview. So they got 143 referring domains, which is pushing back 745 backlinks. So you're really not that far behind them in the backlinking, but they have a lot more high quality backlinks, I should say. They are running ads as well. But this is just organic, by the way. This is just no advertisement, just organic clicks. So they have over 1,000 clicks every month, coming from just 1.6 thousand or 1.6K. Keywords, and coming in here we can actually look at those keywords that they're ranking for. This is the position here, their first position, and there's a lot of keywords. You got HVAC contractors Las Vegas, Nevada, 150 clicks for that one keyword. AC Repair Las Vegas, another 500 clicks every single month. Las Vegas Air Conditioning Companies, another 150 clicks. So really cherry picking those keywords and making sure that you have high authority backlinks would really drive your page to that first your page to the first page of Google there. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a free tag plan to help you get there, to help you get to where you're trying to go, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Bye.